How's it going, everyone? Welcome to another review at Wiedas Marine. Today we have a trade-in boat pulled around for y'all. Today we got it shined up. This is a beautiful 2011 Skeeter TZX 190. Now folks, this is a fantastic package. As you can see, this boat is rigged out, ready to go fishing. On the back sits two Power Pole Pro 2s, great shallow water anchorings, and in the middle of that you have 175 horsepower Yamaha VMAX HPDI. These are very strong running motors. It's going to give you plenty of reliable power for this almost 19-foot package. For the colors, you got a top silver metal flake, you have a green pinstripe right here, and you have a black and silver flake. Makes it look for a very nice boat. Let me sight down the boat for this black, green, and silver color scheme. But the green's not too much. It just gives a little bit just a pop. This boat is in a very, very good condition for a 2011. Give you a good shot this carpet. Carpet's still fluffy, and for boats of this age, once a boat gets about 2-3 years, it's hard to keep them in good condition if you fish a lot. So this boat, you can definitely tell that the owner took care of it. You got a Humminbird 998C paired with a Fortrex on the front of this boat, and on the back you have a Humminbird 998C as well on a ram mount. These are interlinked and they have the Humminbird modules, as you can see. So this boat is ready to get out there for its next owner. Folks, if you're interested in this boat or any other that we have new or used, Skeeter, Phoenix, Triton, or our main glass boats that we sell new, give us a call at Wiedas Marine at 859-647-BOAT. We're looking forward to talking to you. Have a great day.